welcome to another new video, and as you can see we are in Canada right now and we are just heading towards the very famous Niagara Falls.
Whatever you did, can you do some more now? Swear you got me falling for your isolate. Whatever you get, can you take some more now? Swear you got me craving all night and day.
And it's the first time we are visiting over there, so we are actually driving all the way from Mississauga to that location, and it's approximately around 1 hour 20 minutes drive. So yeah, we are super excited to see how it looks like. And we are just 5 minutes away from the location. So this is the area in Niagara Falls, and just around this whole area they got all the restaurants and hotels as well. It's pretty huge.
In 400 meters, turn right.
And this one right over here is the parking entrance. So usually they charge around $10 for full day, so you can park your cars over here. So we just parked our car right now, and this is the way to the falls. It's actually a shortcut. And we are still walking, so it's approximately 5 minutes walk. And right over there we can see the very famous Niagara Falls. And here we are at the location. Looks really beautiful, and honestly, to witness this in real is just another level. And this is the walkway. They have got the boat rides as well over here, and plenty of activities to do. They got the zip lining and so many things. So basically this is the main area of Niagara Falls. Right over here where we are standing is the Canada side, and just right opposite over there is the USA side. It's really beautiful to witness in real. And this brings to an end of this video. So we didn't actually get a chance to go on the boat and do all the activities, but it was pretty nice to see the view over here, and it's totally worth it if you're visiting Canada. And it's just, the view is just amazing. And if you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe us and hit the bell icon button to get more notification, and we will be back with another amazing video. Till then, bye.